Want to get this show ad-free? Head to dailytechnewsshow.com/subscribe to find out how.
Banking with Capital One helps you keep more money in your wallet with no fees or minimums on checking accounts and no overdraft fees. Just ask the Capital One bank guy. It's pretty much all he talks about, in a good way. He'd also tell you that this podcast is his favorite podcast, too. Ah, really? Thanks, Capital One bank guy. What's in your wallet? Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com/bank. Capital One N.A. member FDIC.
If you work as a manufacturing facilities engineer, installing a new piece of equipment can be as complex as the machinery itself. From prep work to alignment and testing, it's your team's job to put it all together. That's why it's good to have Grainger on your side. With industrial-grade products and next-day delivery, Grainger helps ensure you have everything you need close at hand through every step of the installation. Call 1-800-GRAINGER, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
In business, they say you can have better, cheaper, or faster, but you only get to pick two. What if you could have all three? You can with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. OCI is the blazing fast hyperscaler for your infrastructure, database, application development, and AI needs, where you can run any workload for less. Compared with other clouds, OCI costs up to 50% less for compute, 70% less for storage, and 80% less for networking. Try OCI for free at oracle.com/tech-headlines. oracle.com/tech-headlines.
These are the Daily Tech Headlines for Tuesday, July 8th, 2025. I'm Rob Dunwood. Amazon has requested corporate employees in New York City to volunteer for 2-hour shifts at its Red Hook Fresh warehouse from Tuesday to Friday. The Slack request asks engineers, marketers, and other white-collar staff to help with grocery picking and packing due to an anticipated surge in Prime Day grocery orders from fresh discounts and free delivery trials, especially in busy New York. Volunteers can still attend calls and meetings in conference rooms. The tech industry is pushing to integrate AI chatbots into classrooms, with the American Federation of Teachers announcing a new AI training hub for educators. Funded by Microsoft, OpenAI, and Anthropic, with $23 million, the National Academy for AI Instruction will open in New York City this fall, offering workshops on using AI for tasks like lesson plan generation. AFT President Randy Weingarten stated the academy was inspired by other unions that have established high-tech training centers with industry partners. Roming Pang, Apple's top executive for in-house AI models, is reportedly leaving the company to join Meta's Superintelligence Labs group. Pang, who came to Apple from Google in 2021, managed the team responsible for models powering Apple Intelligence features like Genmoji and on-device text summarization. His departure, reportedly for a multi-million-dollar offer from Meta, is a significant setback for Apple's AI development efforts as Meta aggressively recruits top AI talent. Apple has unveiled a new AI model on Hugging Face that dramatically changes how code is generated. Moving beyond sequential text generation of traditional LLMs, this model enables out-of-order writing and simultaneous refinement of multiple code segments. This innovative method leads to faster code generation, positioning it as a strong competitor against other top open-source coding models. OpenAI is reportedly testing a new Study Together feature within ChatGPT, appearing for some subscribers in their tool dropdown. This mode aims to transform the chatbot into a more effective educational tool by prompting users with questions rather than directly providing answers, akin to Google's Learn LM. There's also speculation about a multi-human study group mode. While OpenAI remains silent, ChatGPT itself states that the official availability and potential ChatGPT Plus requirements are unannounced. This development is significant given ChatGPT's pervasive and sometimes controversial role in education, suggesting an effort to promote beneficial uses over academic dishonesty. Koi security researchers found almost a dozen malicious extensions with 1.7 million downloads in Google's Chrome web store that could track users, steal browser activity, and redirect potential unsafe web addresses. Most of these add-ons appeared legitimate, offering advertised functionalities like color picking, VPN, volume boosting, and emoji keyboards. Despite many being verified with numerous positive reviews and prominent features on the Chrome web store, some are still available, misleading users about their safety. The social media platform X has voiced significant apprehension regarding India's media regulations following a government directive to block numerous accounts, including those of international news organizations like Reuters, as per a statement from X's global governance team. On Sunday, 2 international Reuters accounts were blocked in India, displaying an account withheld notification. However, due to public backlash, the Indian government subsequently requested X to unblock these 2 accounts. IBM has announced the availability of its new Power 11 chips and servers starting July 25th. These advanced systems represent a major leap in data center technology, focusing on exceptional power efficiency and simplifying AI deployment for businesses. A key differentiator from Intel and AMD, IBM's power systems offer integrated chip and software packages, prioritizing reliability and security. The Power 11 systems are engineered for minimal disruption, experiencing an average of just over 30 seconds of unplanned downtime per year. They also feature rapid ransomware detection and response within 1 minute. Looking ahead, IBM plans to integrate Power 11 with its Spire AI chip in Q4 of this year. And finally, Fortnite maker Epic Games has settled an antitrust case against Samsung, which was filed last September and accused Samsung of working with Google to block rival app stores by default on Samsung phones. Epic CEO Tim Sweeney announced the dismissal of the case on X, stating that Samsung would address Epic's concerns. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. And if you enjoy this show, remember to tell a friend to check us out. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.
Banking with Capital One helps you keep more money in your wallet with no fees or minimums on checking accounts and no overdraft fees. Just ask the Capital One bank guy. It's pretty much all he talks about, in a good way. He'd also tell you that this podcast is his favorite podcast, too. Ah, really? Thanks, Capital One bank guy. What's in your wallet? Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com/bank. Capital One N.A. member FDIC.
If you work as a manufacturing facilities engineer, installing a new piece of equipment can be as complex as the machinery itself. From prep work to alignment and testing, it's your team's job to put it all together. That's why it's good to have Grainger on your side. With industrial-grade products and next-day delivery, Grainger helps ensure you have everything you need close at hand through every step of the installation. Call 1-800-GRAINGER, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.